Hello students, welcome. Rodrigo here. I'm gonna do a little tutorial on how to make this part. This is the 5E hinge, and you have a paper with this part right here. All right, and then you are going to make a drawing file, and then you're going to do a little detail view. Then I'm gonna show you how to do the detail view here, and then you will eventually get a detail view that'll look like that. Okay, so let's start. Well, first of all, you got to start with basically a new part. Okay, so standard IPT create. Ooh, did I make sure I was in my project file? Definitely want to make sure that I am in my Unit 5, your project file. Okay, your Unit 5 project file, whatever it says on the paper. Good times. Okay, create. So you have your you have your handout here to the side, and you're looking at it. I'm going to do some rough stuff, and then I want you to do most of it, but I'll get you started. First of all, let's just make a rectangle. We'll make it that dimension, and then we will place the holes here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. 3.49 and 1.49. Good. The thickness is 0.085, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, finish sketch. All right, and then I will go ahead and make these holes. And I will place these holes first with little points. That's how you always do it. You just put little points down. All right. Start a sketch on here. Great, now that you've placed the points, you can go to the hole feature and put holes where those things belong. All right, let me make sure that, I think there's one thing I forgot to do, and let me edit this sketch. I forgot to set the height for this guy. All right, now I think I'm done. All right, so we're gonna set the hole feature. It's gonna auto select all of them. And it looks like we have a 0.28 hole. All right, it is through all, 0.28 through. Okay, I'm looking at this 0.28 through, and the top is 0.36, 82 degrees. Well, that's because I just made it. That's why it's already doing that. But you have to type that in. All right, okay, good times. And now what we're going to do is we are going to make this little thing right here. So that might be the tricky part. And to do that, we need to start by making an outline of this. Make an outline of that. And we are going to make this distance 0.55, and then we're going to extrude it in that direction. All right. Let's take a look at the detailed drawing of this. And so we got 0.265. Ooh, there's another thing I'm missing here. I'm just going to put it right here. How far is this from that? Let's go 0.06. And it might be 3 digits. Yep. Okay, so it's 0.60. So I can start by making this circle and then setting that dimension from the bottom and the side. All right, let's do that. So I need to create a plane offset from this plane, and this plane is going to be about 0.55. So this plane's going to make a plane right here, 0.55 away from that. All right. Notice that it's pointing that way, so I'm going to have to make it negative. Negative 0.55, and it makes a plane right there. Okay, cool. Let's start with a sketch. I want to see through this, so obviously right click, slice graphics. All right, and now I'm going to look at this. So I'm going to start making a circle 0.25 with that distance away from it. Okay, so let's do that. Oops. I think this is 0.06, 0.060. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to finish that sketch again. All right, now the best way to do a circle with this is do the offset tool. And this circle is, ooh, forgot. It's the same distance as this one. So it is 0.085. 0.085. Okay, it's the same thickness as that. Now, how can we connect this? Well, we can do a line from here to here and make sure it's tangent, and a line from here to there, make sure it's tangent. So let's do that. Make sure it's green. Now we're going to do this tangent constraint right here. Okay. Now let's trim some of this stuff out. We're going to trim that out. Okay, and we're going to trim this out. All right, now we are done and we can extrude that back. And it looks to me like we are going to extrude this back 0.830. Want to go the other way. All right, so we got that. The other side is a mirror image of that. So if I had a mirror plane going right here, I could mirror that to the other side. That's easy to make. We're going to do a plane between two planes. And we just made a plane in the middle. All right, now let's do the mirror function. We're going to mirror this feature. Make sure that's selected. Click the mirror plane. Okay, there you go. Now we don't want to see these mirror planes, so we'll make the visibility. We'll not make them invisible. Okay, we'll take away the visibility. All right, and let's see what else we got here. Looks like we pretty much got everything we need there. However, we need to change the material to steel. We're going to do a steel alloy. Everything's a steel alloy. Nice. All right, cool. Now you're going to save this. I already have it, so I'm just going to put delete. I'm going to delete this one, but you save it as 5e hinge. Okay. And we will start by making a new, in your project, IED title block, because what we want to do is we want to make this right here. All right, do all the dimensioning like that. Okay, so you're going to do all the dimensioning like that. All right, I'm not going to show you to do that because you can do that yourself. However, one thing I want to show you is how to do the detail here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this sheet, and okay, and then that's going to go away. make sure you have all this stuff, but I need to put the measurements on here, and the easiest way to do that is to do a detail. Okay, so here's a detail, and what you want to do is you want to basically click on the one you want to do a detail, good, and then start right in the middle of it. And you are going to go out. It doesn't matter what number it is, A or B or something like that. And go ahead and put that wherever for now. Okay, cool. And what we're going to do is under place views, we're going to click make a new sheet. All right, so here's our new sheet and here's our old sheet. If we go to our old sheet, you want to double click on the sheets to move from one to the other. I believe, let's see where this view is at. Here it is, detail view. You need to find that little, oh no, that's the A. No, B right here. Okay, so this, we are just going to drag this to the other drawing. And there it is. All right. You should make this pretty big, so go ahead and right click on it and edit view, and you know, big enough, make it fit, you know, whatever fits. Okay, and so then we want to make the other annotations on there. You can just do, this one's going to do a radius 0.21. Okay, and then this one is going to do diameter 0.25. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to go from the middle to here, 0.26. We also want to go from here to, oh, cancel. What's going on here? Go on. 0.6. Now we can go, yeah, we'll go down with this. Minus this, yeah, 0.60. Okay, that's exactly the same. So then you have this one completely done. All right, and that is the video on that one. Okay. All right, and that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it.